What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep in the loop on exactly what's going on. Today I am working on the RS. I am working on the fuel maps for the Stratified Auxiliary Fuel System, and I ran into a little bit of a problem. The system wasn't reading any voltage, but we figured it out. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So right here where my finger is pointed is the map sensor. And if you pull this wiring back, I don't have it tapped down here, but Stratified gives instructions to tap into a gray and purple wire. Well, there's no gray and purple wire. I followed other videos. It told me to tap into a green and gray wire, which I did so, which was incorrect. The correct wire to tap into is the blue wire. So I swapped the wires over here. As you see, I am tapped into the blue wire. So now that I'm tapped into the blue wire, everything is working how it's supposed to. It is getting a voltage reading. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So here's the split second box. Generally that's on there like that, but I took the 4 screws out. It's 4 Phillips screws, very simple to take out. Then you just plug this cable in and plug it into your laptop here. And let me kind of go ahead and show you. It's a little difficult to record a screen. So we got our R4 software down here, and it's loading, and then we are going to open customer. Stratified sent me this file, so I'm going to load it. And you have to make sure under options, system settings, that you are on voltage and additional injector controller. Okay, and then under options again, engine setting, 2-cylinder, engine type, 2-stroke. I know it's not a 2-stroke, I know it's not a 2-cylinder, but that is the proper settings for this setup. After that, you're going to go to fuel maps, and everything should be zeroed. That's all right. Let's see. Now we are going to connect, and you see it says connection failed because you do have to find what COM port you are. In my case, I am COM 3. Connect. It's not going to connect because there's no accessory power right now. Let's go ahead and power the car on. Keys are inside of the vehicle already. Now you probably hear that ticking noise. That is the guardian angel. And let's get back up here. Retry. Connected right away. As you see, this is lit up now. Now if we go to real time and all, voltage 1.6 volts, exactly what it's supposed to be. That's good. Now I'm just waiting for somebody to get here so we can start it up and make sure that everything is reading properly for the RPMs and the voltage. So in the last few days I've been checking all my fuel fittings up here and down here. Obviously I do have some extra fuel fittings because I do have the ethanol content sensor. And with that being said, I did have one leak down here. I added some more Teflon tape, and after that everything turned out to be a-okay. So now back to tuning. Alright, so I already have the Stratified port injection tune loaded. We are going to start off with 91 tuning. However, I am still on E30. I got a little under half a tank, so I'm waiting to empty my tank. Usually I get pretty bummed out when my tank gets empty, but right now I'm looking forward to my tank being empty. It's very rare that I guess I can say that, but I'm definitely looking forward to have a near empty tank so I can fill up with 91. So I can get going with this tuning process. I know 91 again, then E30. It sucks, but it needs to be done. It's unfortunate, but I should be making pretty good power on 91 with port injection, and even more power on E40 or E50, of course. Alright, everything seems to be working good. Alright, you guys, we got everything buttoned back up. The cover's back on. That's the cover that I was talking about. It simply comes off with 4 screws. Phillips. The laptop is reading it properly, so I guess we get to tuning. Alright, now that everything is buttoned up, let's go ahead and take it to the GoPro and go for a little drive to see how everything is performing. Let's go. Alright guys, as you see, I am with the GoPro now, and I look absolutely ridiculous, and I wonder why I get these weird looks, but I can see why now. I'm looking at myself in the camera, and I guess I do this for you guys, so you better smash that thumbs up button. Alright, so I know I'm on E30, as you see on the gauge right over here, so it's not going to be anything too drastic. I just want to kind of make sure that everything is good. Just kind of a test drive. Waste some fuel so we could get down to 91. As I was mentioning earlier, I don't recall a time that I've ever been excited to run out of gas, but this is one. I need to be out of gas to get rid of E30 and just have 91. What a time. One thing that I do have to monitor is my short-term fuel trim. Apparently I have to be in 3rd gear and get into boost and make sure that the STFTs do not go above 20%. If they do, I have to let off, send the log to Alex with Stratified, and immediately probably go back to my other tune, I'm assuming, until then, to make sure that everything is safe. Alright guys, I actually just missed where I wanted to go. I wanted to go to Costco and pick up some dog food, but I missed that turn, so we're just going to keep going straight, make sure that everything is working as intended, and we'll get some dog food on the way back. So far, everything seems to be okay. STFTs are great. Can't really complain about them. They're doing what they're supposed to do and not going over 20 as anticipated. Again, I'm on E30, so I'm not exactly sure if it's going to make much of a difference when I'm on 91, so that's something to keep an eye out for. That it may change just a little, maybe, but we'll see. Anyhow, I do have to get to Costco because they're about to close, so let's turn around, go to Costco and get some dog food, now that I know this tune is running well and everything seems to be safe. My octane adjustment ratios are going up quick. They went from negative 0.5 to negative 0.77, and I really haven't gotten on it yet, so that's a good sign as well. No U-turn. Can I do a U-turn here? I believe I can. Yes, I can. All right. Oh, yummy. Sounds so good. Thought that was a cop for a second. about to pass the local E85 station. I can almost safely bet that there will be somewhat of a performance car there, somebody willing to go at it. Let's see. BMW. Sounds nasty. Alright guys, we are getting here to Costco, so that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, let's take it to the other camera so I can finish this. Alright you guys, away from the GoPro now. I just got to Costco. We got GoPro marks on the head. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you think this tuning procedure will go. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And following me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. Until next time, I'm out. Yeah, boy.